@NCERT video book welcomes you. Today we are going to start Chapter 11 Filling and Lifting. Let's start Chapter 11 Filling and Lifting. You can see a sugarcane juice vendor here. How much can you drink? You can read a poster here. Drink 6 glasses of juice and get your money back. Chintu reads the poster and tells Sambhu. This boy is Chintu, this is Sambhu. I can drink 6 of these smaller glasses. Sambhu says, you need to drink 6 of these bigger glasses of juice to get your money back. No, I cannot drink 6 glasses. Why do you think Chintu does not take the challenge? Do you think you can take the challenge? Teacher's note. Children should understand that if one takes a bigger glass, then we may drink a fewer number of glasses. So one may not take the challenge. Whose glass holds more? Neeta and Mono visit Ritu's house. Ritu's mother gives them milk in different glasses. Who do you think gets the most milk? You can see Neeta, Mono and Ritu. Here is Ritu's mother. Neeta says, I drink so much milk. Mono says, I drink more milk than you. Ritu says, I drink milk in a big glass. Ritu's glass, Mono's glass, Neeta's glass. Ritu's elder sister finds out who drinks the most milk like this. She pours the content of glasses in 3 same-sized glasses like this. Ritu's glass fills the same-sized glass completely. Monu's glass half. Nita's glass less than half. That means Ritu drinks more milk. After that, Mono and Nita least. Let us discuss 1. Who drank the most milk? The answer is Ritu. 2. Who drank the least milk? The answer is Nita. 3. Fill in the blanks with more or less. A. Nita's glass holds less milk than Mono's glass. B. Mono's glass holds more milk than Nita's glass. C. Ritu's glass holds more milk than Nita's glass. 4. Take the right name. A. Nita, Mono, Ritu's glass holds the most milk. The answer is Ritu. Ritu's glass holds the most milk. B. Nita, Mono, Ritu's glass holds the least milk. The answer is Nita. Nita's glass holds the least milk. Let us do. Get 3 vessels like a small bowl, glass and bottle of different sizes from your home. Guess how many small bowls will fill the glass? How many glasses will fill the bottle? First guess and then pour water from one vessel into another to check if your guess is correct. Vessel, my guess for the number of small bowls. How many bowls? Glass, bottle. For this activity, you have to pour the water using a bowl into a glass and bottle. For example, if your guess is 5 here, that means 5 balls fill a glass, but actually you got 6. Similarly, for example, if your guess is here 7, but actually you got 5. 1. Fill in the blanks with the most or the least. A. The glass holds dash water. You can see glass holds the most water. B. The bottle holds the least water. Your answers could be different than mine and these two. Kindly do this activity. 2. Name the vessels that are used in your home that can store more water than your bottle. Teacher's note: children may get different vessels, but they should be able to draw conclusions about their capacity. Let us do. You can see a lemonade shop here. You can see different types of vessel such as ladle, bowl, glass, and jug. 1. How many ladles fill the bowl? You have to pour water from ladle into the bowl. 2. How many glasses can be filled by the jug? You have to pour water from a jug into the glass. 3. What will you use to fill half of the glass? You may use a jug or a vessel larger than a glass. 4. Which of these would you use for distributing the lemonade in glasses? Why? 5. How many glasses can be filled with 3 jugs of lemonade? For example, if you fill 5 glasses with 1 jug, then with 3 jugs you can fill 5 into 3 or 3 times 5, 15 glasses of lemonade. 6. How many ladles are needed to fill 4 glasses? Kindly do this. 7. Can you use a ladle, bowl or a glass to find out how much lemonade a jug can hold? Yes, you can find it by pouring water or lemonade one by one into the jug. Teacher's note: let children discuss how many times they will have to pour using each thing. Discuss how utensils with less capacity can be used to fill a utensil of larger capacity and how utensils with larger capacity can fill a number of utensils of smaller capacity. Let them conclude that in both cases the quantity remains the same. A measuring bottle. Nita sees the milkman pour milk using a measuring cup every day. This is a measuring cup for measuring 1 liter of milk. Why do you think milkmen use measuring cups for giving milk? Discuss with your parents, grandparents, and in your class. Milkmen use measuring cups to give the specified quantity of milk to every family. I have a bottle which holds 1 liter of water. Let us use this 1 liter bottle to find how much the jug, glass, bowl and ladle can hold. Nita pours water from the bottle into the jug. The jug is exactly 1 liter. It fills completely. Let us discuss. 1. Tick the appropriate word in the sentences given below. A. The glass holds more than less than 1 liter. Less than. B. The bowl holds more than less than 1 liter. Less than. C. The jug holds more than less than exactly 1 liter. Your answer may be different from mine. It will depend on the size of glass, bowl and jug. Teacher's note. Encourage children to do the above activities in the class. Discuss children's findings in the class. Children may get different answers depending on the vessels they choose. Teacher can get a few vessels and ask them to guess if each will hold 1 liter or more or less than a liter. 2. Find the vessels at home that are exactly 1 liter. Use your 1 liter bottle to check. 3. Identify vessels that are more than or less than 1 liter. Let us think. Look at the picture and tick the appropriate word. A. The mug holds a liter, half liter of water. B. The glass holds a liter, half liter, quarter liter of water. You can see You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 glasses are filling a 1 liter bottle. So you may say a glass is quarter liter, that is 1/4 of a liter. Similarly, if you will measure the mug, the answer will be a liter. The answer will be a liter. That means a mug holds a liter of water. Let us explore. First guess and check with the 1 liter bottle. A. How much water does a bucket hold at your home? More than, less than, equal to 1 liter. Kindly do that. B. How much water does a mug hold at your home? Less than, more than, equal to half a liter. C. How much water does a glass hold? Less than, more than, equal to a quarter liter. Teacher's note. Please procure measuring cups or vessels that have a capacity of 1 liter, half liter and 1 by 4 liter, that is quarter liter. Conduct the activities for measuring water in the classroom with children. Also, encourage children to establish in class that 4 quarter liter glasses are equal to 1 liter and 2 half liter mugs are equal to 1 liter. That means a mug may be equal to half a liter. Kindly do this activity to find out. Your answers could be different than mine. Do you know, to make a 1 liter single use plastic water bottle, we need about 5 liters of water. Less water is wasted if we use our own glass or reusable bottle. This boy says, it is too heavy for me. After lifting this bottle. Heavy or light? Chintu is holding 3 textbooks in one hand and a pencil box in the other hand for 30 seconds. I count 1, 2, 3. up to 30 seconds. Discuss in pairs why one hand of Chintu is lower than the other. The hand holding the books is lower than the hand holding the pencil box. Try holding the following things in both hands. Make observations in pair. Which is heavier and which is lighter? Do you and your friends agree on which is lighter and heavier? Things to compare. Lunchbox and pencil box. My observation: lunchbox is heavier than pencil box. My friend's observation, you can write it here. Your school bag and lunch bag. Similarly, you can write here, school bag is heavier than lunch bag. Similarly, you can compare apple and watermelon, a balloon filled with air and a basketball. Teacher's note: children need to understand that heavier things tend to go down due to their weight. Teacher can bring the pan balance or invite a vegetable vendor to give children more experience with weighing. Let us do 1. Write the names of the objects and their weight in the table given below. Object: how many coins or eraser balance the object? A. Pencil. You have to use a balance like this for doing this activity. You may use this pair of scale to put pencil and the other one to put coins or eraser as you wish. Check what number of coins or eraser balances the scale. B. Ping pong ball. Similarly, you have to put ping pong ball on this portion of the scale and coin or eraser on this portion and see the number of coins or eraser balancing the ping pong ball. Similarly, you can do for empty water bottle or other things as you wish. 2. Let us make another weight to measure slightly heavier objects. Fill a matchbox with sand and use this to weight the following objects. Guess the weight in terms of matchboxes and then verify. You can do the same activity for pencil box, a spoon, 4 marbles. You have to write your guess here and then use the balance to get exact number of matchbox filled with sand to balance these objects. Write the names of all things measured in the order of lightest to heaviest. Teacher's note: procure a sample toy pen balance. Use weights readily available like coins or unused erasers. Let us do weight hunt. Do this activity in groups. Among your group, find a bag that is heavier than yours. Find a bag that is lighter than yours. Discuss. 1. Why is your bag heavier or lighter? 2. Count the number of books to see if there is a difference in the number of books in the bag. 3. Can you make the two bags of about the same weight by moving a book? Discuss. How much is 1 kilogram? With the help of your parents, find objects in your home on which 1 kilogram is written. Fill it with your hand and guess what other objects may be 1 kilogram. Verify by checking on the label of the object or by asking your parents. You can see a rice packet written 1 kilogram. 4. Write the names of the objects that are 1 kilogram. You may write objects like 1 kilogram salt, 1 kilogram pulses, or 1 kilogram rice or sugar, etc. Let us keep a 1 kilogram salt packet or any other readily available packet as our measuring tool. 5. Can you guess which of these things are likely to be lighter or heavier than 1 kilogram? Put a tick sign mark in the appropriate box. You have to use a balance like this to weigh the following things. You have to put your salt packet or any other packet of 1 kilogram on this side of the pan and the objects on this side and see what things are heavier or lighter. Objects more than 1 kilogram, less than 1 kilogram. Pen less than 1 kilogram. Table more than 1 kilogram. Water bottle filled with water less than 1 kilogram. Lunch box less than 1 kilogram. Balloons less than 1 kilogram. Pencil box less than 1 kilogram. Pillow may be 1 kilogram. Kindly do this activity and check it out. 6. Look at the balance and tick the correct word. A. Each dal packet weigh a half kilogram, a kilogram. You can see 1 kilogram salt packet is balanced by 2 packets of dal. So each dal packet weigh a half kilogram. Similarly, B. Each tea packet weigh a half kilogram, quarter kilogram, kilogram. You can see 1 kilogram salt packet is balanced by 4 packets of tea. So you can say each tea packet weigh quarter kilogram. Let us explore. Look around your house and identify objects that are about half a kilogram and quarter of a kilogram. Feel these things with your hand and guess what other things are a half or quarter kilogram. List the objects that are about a quarter kilogram and a half kilogram. Verify with the 1 kilogram salt packet. Teachers note, have discussions with children in the class as to how children are making their guesses. Encourage children to discuss relationships between 1 kilogram, half kilogram and 1 by 4 kilogram or quarter kilogram using the pan balance and the 1 kilogram salt packet. Tricky balls. 1. Mono poses a puzzle to his friends. 3 balls look similar in size, one of them is heavier and 2 balls are equal in weight. You have only a pan balance and no weight. Using the 3 balls and the pan balance, can you identify which is the heavy ball? A. How many times will you have to weigh? B. Use the balance only one time and tell which is the heavy ball. For this question, you have to put one ball on this side of the pan and other on this side. If the beam balances, then you can say both balls are equal in weight and the left one is the heavier one. If this happens that this side of the pan goes down and this up, that means the things going down signify that this side of the pan has heavy things. So this ball becomes heavier one, and this ball the lighter, and this has the same weight as this one, as said in the question. You can do this by measuring only once. 2. There are three same-sized balls of different weights and colors: red, orange, and green. Red ball, orange ball, green ball. You can use the pen balance for it, but cannot use weights. How will you find which one is the heaviest and which one is the lightest? Kindly do this. For more videos, you can subscribe NCERT video book. Thank you.